all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? We have a very, very interesting one for you today. Matter of fact, it took me a while to figure out how I was going to review this and what I wanted to say. But Black Wolf Nation is here on the channel. Now, I have to start this kind of this way. Black Wolf Nation, I'm sorry it took this long to get this video out. My hectic schedule and everything in my life and all these other problems kept popping up and popping up and popping up. And I'm sorry it took so long, but here we go, guys. All right. What I think is really, really cool is they reached out to me on Instagram and they went, hey, we like what you're doing. Would you consider reviewing our products? And I was like, well, duh. You know, if a company wants to reach out and have me review your stuff, yeah, I'm going to say yes. Pretty much no matter what, I'm going to say yes. I like the fact that they are made in the USA out of West Palm Beach, Florida. You can find them at www.blackwolfnation.com. Don't worry, I'm going to leave that link right down below. They got their start in about 2016, and I love this slogan that I saw on their website, that they make hardworking, no BS skincare line for real guys with real life, everyday skincare problems. Now, I'll be honest with you. I never really gave it much thought. I was like, okay, well, I got a zit. All right, let's make it go away. I never thought about moisturizing and, facial scrubs and everything else until I started basically hitting 50. Then I was like, I really don't want to look like a used catcher's mitt. I'd like to look a little bit better than what I do. So, you get your box, okay? Now, yeah, granted, I've been using them. This is what I kind of like. When you get your box, with the black and, welcome to the pack, which I thought was cool. What I got came in like this little resealable container, like a little Mylar bag. But I like that. All right, what they sent me was face wash and moisturizer. And what I thought was cool is, before they even sent any products, they were like, well, what kind of skin do you have? Do you have oily? Do you have dry? Do you have like a mix? Because they kind of tailor things right to you, which I thought was pretty freaking awesome, So I was like, well, my skin is kind of a combination. Some days it's really dry, other days it's oily. So they're like, all right, we got you. So they sent me out, big thing of face wash. What is this thing, like 5 ounces? It's a really big thing, and it works incredible. And they sent me out a 2 ounce, basically moisturizer for dry skin. These kind of really go hand in hand, okay? I haven't used this as much as I should because I'm an idiot. I always forget where I seem to put it in the morning, but I have used this a bunch. Now, if I got this right off their website, I hope I did. I found the moisturizer. I think it's $19. It got a 4.9 out of 5-star rating with 34 reviews on Black Wolf Nation. The face wash is 15, if I got it right, grab the right thing. 4.9 out of 5-star rating with 191 reviews. Now, what I thought was really, really cool is basically they have this really big ingredient card, okay? So for everyone wanting to know, take a freeze frame. There's your ingredient list for the face wash. Now, right up top, there's your ingredients list for the moisturizer. One of the things I thought was really, really cool is it's charcoal based, okay? So when you get it out of its little container here, it's going to be black. Basically, I applied like a dime to quarter size amount in my hand because, yeah, I've got this basically, 5'7" head here, going bald. I apply like a dime to a quarter size amount, start working it up into a lather. At that point, it will turn gray and start working it into my skin. Yes, I do be careful around the beard area and mustache area because it could be potentially very damaging to your beard. And basically what I'll do is I'll let it sit for a little bit in the shower while I'm scrubbing everything else. And when I'm in the rinse-off process, just turn around and, rinse it all out, get it all gone. It hasn't really dried out any of my skin when I've been using it. I've used other companies' face washes, and some of them aren't so good. That's what kind of turned me off. I was very, very impressed with Black Wolf Nation stuff, and that's not because they sent it to me for free, and they're not paying me for this. They're like, hey, try some of our products. If you like them, give us a review. Okay. So, here's the review. I think they have a great company. I think they've got great potential, and I think they can go very, very far. Obviously, they have if they've been around since 2016. I saw things for shaving. I saw merch on their, web store. It seems like really, really high quality stuff that I've been using. On the flip side, the monkey's been using it too because, well, he's at that age where everything is breaking out all over the place in various areas, and he's not really good with scrubbing himself, so he has a lot of acne problems. And the face wash has worked incredible for him. It's really helped trying to contain a lot of the problem areas for him, and I think that's cool. But it's a first. I'm really not sure what to say for face wash and moisturizer, which they say basically after you get out of the shower, apply a dime-sized amount face and neck, work it in, and leave it alone. So it's like hand lotion for your face and neck. No biggie. You know? My better half uses this more than I do. That's probably why I can't find it half the damn time. But still. But there we go, guys. My really quick look at Black Wolf's Nation skincare stuff. Like I said, I'm not sure what to say about it. I think it's one of the first I've done for the channel. And if I've done another one, forgive me. I'm old and I tend to forget stuff. Alright? But we're at that part of the video where I think this is the best part of the whole video, okay? I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. Have you used Black Wolf Nation before? Have you used their products? Have you had success? Have you had failures? And yes, sorry for the weird light in the alternate film room. This is about the only place I can shoot today with all the weird crap going on in the house, so forgive the shadows and everything else. I'm trying to get a better lighting system for this room that doesn't feel like it's blinding me when I've got it on. I know you can see that light I have back there with all that white I can see in the screen, but still. Alright, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thanks for watching. I know this is a weird one. We do things really, really differently here on the channel. I just want to say thanks for choosing this video. I know you have lots of options out there, and I'm very grateful you chose this one. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is, why not? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription, and let's see how we can rectify that, okay? So after you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right there in that corner. You can see a big channel symbol popping up. I know, I'm asking a lot, but still, it's a typical YouTube-y thing, right? Click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you... And of course, those of you familiar with my channel, you know the camera took a dump. But still, like I said, just try that little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Well, that's because YouTube's going to be able to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those wonderful videos that we all know and love, I think I'm showing up 2 of them somewhere over here, I believe. Somewhere over here. I may have got that backwards, but who knows? Who cares? You know, those are going to be videos that YouTube pulls from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing option for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at Black Wolf Nation's skincare. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you're all being safe. I hope you're all having a great day today, and we'll see you in the next video.